what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once. We're not saying magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. The end. I'm your host P Fire, aka Perpendicular to the Square, and this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. You already know how I'm gonna do. I'm gonna fly off camera, fly back on camera, and we're gonna get straight into it. Let's do it like we're doing it for TV, except we're doing it in real life, and shit, fuck that. I'm back. Am I back? I'm back. Let me give you a little twirlage, guys. A little twirl to the RJ, and you lot can see what we working with. Little close-up images, you know what I'm saying? Who's that guy? It's me? Alright, stop all that. Let's get into what we came here to get into. So today, my beautiful people, we have this cheapy company overshirt, and yeah, CP Company 50 Fili Overshirt. That's 50 F-I-L-I overshirt in this fetching navy blue. Should we get into it? Alright, let's zip up and get straight into it. Tags on. Alright guys, let's first start at the waist. There's my waist right there, and it comes down just below the waist. As you can see, really dope. We do as we always do, left right cuff edges. You see you got this nice sort of little elasticated cuffs right there, as you can see, and you have an adjuster, look, little adjuster, and it's on this nice, I love this, you see the little detail in there where it's going all the way around. That's kind of dope, and you can adjust it. Oops, fold over, let's have a little cheeky ganders. Oop, button. Okay, not bad at all. Nice little taperage you get there, nothing too crazy, but it works. You know, as you can see, bit more room there, less room there. Very nice. I won't be tapering it. I'll leave it on its natural clip, and we'll leave it at that. Okay, like I said, I really like that detailing on the sleeve. I'm hoping the sunshine's picking it up. Pardon the noise. Apparently people are allowed to drive when I'm filming. How dare they? Anywho, let me step back so we can see. Okay, so this is a zip button, but it also has, a zip button. This has a zip strip, as you can see there, and that zip strip has that same sort of canvas-like material which apes the wrist right there. As you can see, really nice, and the rivet bits are on there, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you have 5 of these, which, as you can see on that nice shiny little bit, zip right there, YKK zipper, of course. And then if we button up, 1, 2, 3, 4, oops, get out the way. When we get out the way, so you have 5. Of course, you have the beautiful collar, as you can see. I'm now buttoned up like a office worker going to his finest office work. Nice little collar right there. Now, the eagle eye amongst you might have noticed left hand side, right hand side pockets, but you might have noticed that the pockets are a little bit puffy. You see, they don't sit flush. They're very nice. So as you can see, this is a nice little pocket here, and once again you have that detailing. You see, double rivet once again, so if you want to put the flap down there or there, you know, really nice. Now you open it up, oh, you got tags and all of that in the pocket right there, which is unique. Now that's quite deep actually. Oh my god, that's quite a deep pocket. I mean, extra buttons. Love when you find little encroutements. Boom, love that. The pockets are really deep, like my whole hand can go in this pocket all the way up to the wrist. So these are pretty deep. You could actually put your skis in here, you know, because they're quite slim. You could put your skis in there and just, yeah, couple pairs of skis there, maybe your skis, and if you've got a couple kids, you can put both sets of kids skis in there. In fact, you might be able to put yours and the missus' skis in there, and both sets of kids skis in there with the packed lunch. Really deep, super nice. Again, equilibrium's a beautiful thing, so the pockets are the same, and you see you've got that shiny little black bit on there just to embellish it like so, and all the buttons have that nice little sort of pop, whatever you want to call that. Yeah, very nice. Of course, you have your CP right there, you know what I mean, your lens viewer. Boom, slide your little wrist strapless watch in there, and then you can always check the time whenever you want. For those of you that are eagle-eyed, zip, nice little pull string right there. You put your hand in, oh, it goes all the way around, but what you don't want to do is put nothing in there. You might put your secret little, you know, spy code phone in there, or your basher or burner as they call them nowadays. You might put that in there, but you know, other than that, don't put nothing. Let me give you a little twirl there so you can see. Very, very nice, very nice. Let me see what other bits we have here. I haven't worn this, as you can see, tags everywhere. Seun tags, these are the tags, you know what I mean? Really, really nice. Authenticator, that's telling you what it do and what it don't. Let me take this off so you can have a propaganda. A propaganda, you see what I did there? Of course you have your GP company tab there, label, Seun belt thing. And there, of course, as CP Company like to do, it tells you what it's about. CP Company 50 Fili, the original CP Company cotton nylon fabric and garment dyeing, as you can see right there. You have these nice little vents on the arms so you can breathe. It's nice and breathable right there as you go in. What else do we have? We have a couple drawstrings here, as you can see at the bottom, which allows you to taper. I'm actually pissed because I tried to film this the other day and the wind blew it everywhere, and now it's got all these marks and dust on it, and it's like I ain't even worn it yet. So annoying, but it's all good. We got a lint roller and all those things. So yeah, guys, this has been a CP Company 50 Fili overshirt. You see what it do, you see what it isn't, and you see what it is. Now guys, I'm gonna give you a twofer Van Drost. I'm gonna go round, come back, and you're gonna see exactly what I'm coming back with. That's why you're here. Let's do it. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Hello guys. Yeah, sorry, I got carried away there. I'm back. I'm just gonna do some buttons on, and then we're gonna get into this. While I do that, let me give you a little twirlage. You know what I mean? The young twirlage, the little close-up, most up, you know. And then we can get into it. Last button about to do. So guys, what we have here today is this Stone Island overshirt. Very nice, very nice. Now I copped this overshirt, I want to say 2017, 2016, I can't quite remember, but around those times there. I'll double check, but I think it was around those times, yeah, at least 7 years ago, maybe something like that. I'm just gonna button up and then we're gonna get into it. We're gonna get into it like we get into it, you know what I'm saying? Like a cake, freshly baked. I'm about to get into that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 buttons, and that goes all the way to the roof of the neck. Roof of the neck? That would be crazy. Oh no, it actually does go to the roof of the neck. Not quite the roof, not quite the base, I don't know. It goes to the normal space that it should go. Alright, cool. As you can see, there's my waist. There's the length, very, very nice. Nothing too crazy. Normal length for your average shirt. As you can see, it's in this resplendent sand color. I want to call it sand. I'm gonna call it sand. And it's a sand color with black buttons, which of course have Stone Island inscribed in blood, forged in iron and metal ore, and yeah, says Stone Island. Guys, I'm very excited because I ain't done one of these for ages. Whenever I'm off for a bit and then I come back to doing one, I'm very excited. You can see the energy. I mean, my energy's up, but my energy is like always off the chart because I'm just excited to be out and filming. Anywho, I segue over to what I'm here for. As you can see, left hand side, right hand side, 2 envelope lid pockets, and let me open one of these just so we can see. Let's see what's going on in there. Alright, put your hand in pretty deep, you know, nice. You can put a few coins of gold, maybe 1 bar of gold, a few coins in there, and you're looking pretty decent. Nothing too ostentatious, but you know, enough to get you by in case you need to cross the rivers onto the other side. There are wars going on outside, and no man is safe from anything. So, of course, you have the cuffages right here, and you've got a nice little bit of roomage right there. You have no tapery, just the 1 button, and equilibrium same beautiful thing on the other side. So, gorgeous. Of course, you have the old Stone Island badge there. Nothing new, nothing crazy, special in its non-specialness, as we like to say over these parts. Okay, what else? Nice little colours, nothing too crazy, just small colours, you know, a little overshirt, casual, relaxed, sexy. Yeah, I don't know what else to say other than this is a shirt I haven't worn for about, I want to say maybe 3 years, man. Just, you know, sometimes you wear it, and then you put it away. You don't want to be wearing the same stuff all the time, and sometimes it's good to rest your clothes so that, you know, they're not just getting consistent wear. And by wear, I don't mean just wear, I mean wear, as in wear and tear. See what I did there? Anywho, guys, somebody's been on the old sugars. Not me. I've not had nothing today, just a sip of water. But I'll be getting into it in a bit. Guys, I think that is actually it. So you've obviously seen the cheapy company one, you know what I'm saying? You saw the cheapy company right there, you know, and obviously you can see the stony one. Which one's your favorite? Which one do you prefer? Color wise, fit wise? Let me know, man. Let me know. Of course, you've got the sort of fishtail going on right there. You can see little fishtail going right there, which is super dope. This is really thin as well. It's a proper spring summer shirt. Do you know what I mean? You can wear it buttoned up like this. You know, depending on how you feel. You can wear it like this. You know what I mean? Depending on how you feel, or you can just, you know, go for the full shit. The sun's out. I'm about to have a few jars. It's open. Who wants it? Let's have it. Come on. It depends what you want. So yeah, this is a bit more thicker and padded. Let me know your thoughts, guys. As usual, you already know what this is. This has been Once We're Not Saying magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into the end. And this has been another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. I've been your host, P Fire, aka P is for purchase my album now. I ain't even got an album out, but I do have an EP out, and then we'll talk about that very soon. Anyway, guys, you already know what it is. Phoenix the Fireboy, aka P Fire, your host. You guys are beautiful, and I thank you so much for your patience and your continued viewership.